Alright, continuing, I'm going to take my little V tool and I'm going to come up here. There we go. See what I'm doing? I have to get in position. Okay. There we go. Okay, and then you take and you extend that area of the blanket like this. Had some bad places in the wood there. There we go. See, and extend it back far enough where that hair looks like it. The little chin area in here. Take this out in here. Where the hair sort of fits down in there. See that? Okay, now what we want to do, let me get my pencil, is at the top up here, let me come around a little bit. Let me kind of get this straightened up back here just a little bit. From this point, we want to draw a little, like a little collar that's going to go around. Let me round this out just a little bit more before we do that collar. Just round that off a little bit more. Okay. And we'll draw that collar from this point and around and meet with this collar here. And we take our knife and from the outside now we take that wood away from there. Just like that. From this point, we come around and we bring that collar up to here. We'll make it kind of a thick collar. Like that. See that? And we'll take a little bit more off there. A little bit more off in the back. And then we'll kind of round that collar off a little bit, but we got to do one more thing. It's got to be done. See how that collar? See that? And we'll round that off just a little bit in there. Now, what we need to do is, let me What we need to do is come over here on the back side and make a little arm going around here. Okay? And then come down here and make the arm come around here. And what this is going to be, this is going to be a, and let's take, this is going to be where his hand is going to be to coming out of the blanket, not out of the blanket, yeah, out of the blanket as we might say, to take the reins of the horse. Because we're going to have a little rein. And what happens is you simply come over here and that's where the hand's going to be. So we're going to go ahead. Now you see that? Now let me take off a little bit more up underneath here. See that? And the little rein will come just right there and up into the bottom of that. See that? All right, now let's kind of round this blanket off a little bit. I'll take a little bit more underneath here. A bit more underneath there. See that? Now we're looking good. Okay, let's go down here and clean up a little bit. Now the blanket actually comes through this way and then up a little bit like this. So we're going to cut that, cut through here, and then remove that area just before you get to the shoe. See that? Just right in there. Now let's do the same thing on this side. Now I need to move back just a little bit on this. The same thing over here, somewhere around in there. That's going to come across. It's going to kind of come down and come up like that. In other words, not far from where the shoe is. And from the bottom here